Hello there, and a warm welcome. I wonder if you will agree with me that there is a lot going on in the world, globally, in our own countries, wherever you are. I'm sure there's something that is up in your country. And for ourselves personally as well, I talk to so many of my clients, colleagues, family, friends who are just really going through some tough times in their personal lives. But also, of course, we, as sensitive people, feel the weight of the world when something is happening, even at the other side of the world. And with social media, with news outlets, you can read BBC even if you're in Africa. There's news on TV, there's news on our phones. It's almost like we just cannot get away from it all. And it can just be really far, far, far too much to handle, especially if you're a sensitive person and things really touch your heart very deeply and on many different levels. I did a survey recently in my community from my newsletter list, and 28 people answered and responded to the question, what is most difficult for you right now? And so many people say there's just too much going on. It's overwhelming. We don't know where to pay attention first. And it can just be jarring for us to keep hearing about another thing and another thing and another thing. And of course, many people are suffering from sleepless nights, insomnia, just not sleeping well because there seems to be so many problems that nobody can solve right now. Long, long, long projects and issues that it will take to solve the problems of the world. So, how about we just join together with a little bit of tapping right now and just soothe some of that? We probably won't solve it all in this little bit of tapping here online together. And it can really help to soothe our nervous systems, just slow things down, acknowledge what's going on, how we're feeling, and it can just go a long way already to just pause and take a look at what is going on for us. So please take care of yourself. I'm not there with you. If you are tapping, if you're a regular tapper, you'll know what to do. If you don't use tapping very often, just know that it may actually feel like the sensations in your body are increasing and you think it's the tapping that's making it worse. It's not the tapping. It is that we're actually pausing and thinking and, standing still with the things that are bothering us. And the tapping is the thing that will help you soothe. So if you are starting to feel more sensations in your body and, noticing your emotions more, know that it's normal. Keep tapping. That is the thing that is going to help soothe it. And then at the end, I'll just let you know of something extra that might be helpful for you. So let's just start tapping on the side of the hand. And even if you haven't really checked in with your body, I know that you've got a lot going on. So just start over here and say, even though there is so much going on for me, I soothe and comfort myself. Even though there is so much going on for me, friends and family, colleagues, and people from across the globe, and it feels like too much for me, I soothe and comfort myself. And we just do one more of these on the side of the hand, even though there is so much that I'm aware of. And it is too much for me to carry on holding. I can't hold it all. Too much for my nervous system. I soothe and comfort myself. And then we do a few rounds of tapping on all the points. So if you know other points, feel free to use them. I use the points that I'm used to. All of this is just too much. There is too much going on in the world. I don't know what to focus on. It's just too much for my nervous system. And right here, right now, I'm just slowing it down. I'm just noticing what's going on for me. and under the arm. It is a lot. And in case you don't know these points, I also use the inside of the wrist and then the hand points, the finger points. It is a lot. And my nervous system can't continue holding it all. It's been too much for me. And right now, I'm just choosing to slow it all down and notice what is happening for me. So rest your arms, just take a nice deep breath in and out. Oh, I could already feel that I want to make a deeper sigh and my breathing feels a little bit deeper. And then we'll just continue with another round. And while we are tapping, just start noticing in your body, where do you notice usually that you feel overwhelmed? So we'll just keep tapping while you just notice. For some people, it's a feeling of, buzzing bees in their head, like overthinking and just racing thoughts. For other people, it's like sort of a buzzing in the body, like it feels like they want to burst out of their body, like there's a crazy amount of bees inside their body. For other people, it's almost like more of a sort of an idea like I'm drowning, like it feels like I'm drowning, I'm submerged by it all. You may have some feelings of anxiety, like perhaps feelings in your tummy, like butterflies on the stomach. You may have buzzing arms and legs, like a bit of adrenaline, or just noticing that your feet want to run away from it all, like I just don't want to be here. So we just continue to tap while you just even consider all of those. I don't want you to go too deeply into it since I'm not there with you right now. Just continue to tap and notice where are the places that you usually feel overwhelmed. All of these sensations in my body. I'm noticing these sensations and I'm safe right here, right now. I'm safe. I'm sitting in my chair. I'm safe. And just rest your arms. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Of course, I'm assuming that you're safe. If you're not, please take yourself away to a safe place. And even if there may be, I know there are people, the places in the world where there's wars going on at the moment, where there may be bombs busy exploding, and you may not be able to go to a safe place. In that case, let's just keep tapping and help you to feel a little bit more calm. So I don't know, of course, what's going on for you right now. I don't know where your thoughts are, where your emotions are. Let's just continue with another round or two, and I'll do my best to tune in to what may be going on for an overwhelmed person. And you change the words that doesn't suit you, change it to something that feels more true for you, and just keep tapping. That's the most important thing. So even though there may still be a lot going on, and I can't fix the whole world, I soothe and comfort myself. Even though I can't fix the problems all over the world, I'm only one person. And I'm just right here, right now, going to take care of myself. And I soothe and comfort myself. And even though it is overwhelming to keep thinking about the problems in the whole world, nobody can stay standing when they think about all of that. So right here, I'm just choosing to focus on me and what's going on in my body. I'm just one person, and I choose to focus on me in this moment. I'm just slowing it down for myself. I'm just noticing what's happening in my body. And right now I feel, and then complete the sentence. Like maybe I feel less overwhelmed, or I feel still overwhelmed. And I also feel, complete the sentence. And I'm noticing the sensations in my body. I'm noticing, and then complete the sentence for yourself. I'm noticing buzzing in my stomach. I'm noticing more calmness in my heart. Just complete what's true for you. I'm also noticing, like for me right now, I'm noticing tightness in my right shoulder. And I'm noticing a little sigh. And I'm just slowing it down right now and just focusing on me and what's present for me. And then rest your arms, take a nice deep breath in and out. It's always nice to let it out like a big old sigh. I don't know about you. I feel a little bit slower, a little bit calmer, a little bit more present with myself and not thinking so much about the problems in the rest of the world. Because where is the place that we can really make a difference? It isn't over there in some other country right now. My body is not there. I can't do anything. I can pray. I can send white light. I can do all those kind of things on an energetic level. But the place where I have the most power, where I can make the most difference, is here where I am with my body. And if I don't take care of me and giving myself chances to decompress from it all, then I can't be very effective in my own life. I won't be able to focus on my work and on the people around me that really need me, like my husband, my sister, my mom far away in another country. So the better we can take care of ourselves and our energy system, the more harmony and peace we can bring into our lives. And that absolutely spreads like ripples through our families, through our friends. It's like a little anchor. If we can be like a calm anchor for the people around us. And the only way to do that is when we slow down and take a pause and decompress and let some of that stress go. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you keep tapping and just bringing down all of that tension and all the things that you're holding just a little bit every day. You can continue to tap with me, um, do this video again as often as you like, or just take pieces from it and incorporate it into your own life. And then I'd also like to share that in the middle of May, this is 2026, 14th of May 2026, I'm offering uh, an hour workshop, a live EFT experience with me. And I called it a gentle island of calm, a little bit of a live EFT experience for when life just feels a little bit too much. And that is what I hear so much from so many people around me. So the URL where you can find it and sign up is savvyselfgrowth.com/calm. If you go there, there's a place where you can join us, and it's £20 only, so it's for a whole hour. You'll receive the recording, of course, and afterwards you can always listen to it again and keep tapping with it, because I will have lots and lots of tapping routines for you there, and helping you to feel more and more calm and resourced so that you can be that gentle island of calm for those around you as well. I so believe, as sensitive people, we have a lot to offer to the world around us. And we cannot do that if we're completely swamped, overwhelmed, drowning under all of it. And we do need those moments and those times when we absolutely pause the world and take care of ourselves first. And that is why I want to offer this kind of thing, to empower and strengthen the sensitive people of this world so that they can be that lovely, calm, soft, gentle presence for other people that we need so much more of in this world today. Thank you again for listening and watching, and I hope you continue tapping. And it would be so lovely to see you on that workshop if you choose to be there. Take care.